What is going on, guys? It's good to see you and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know I've filmed a lot of recipes in the past couple of days. Yeah, it's true. And today we're making some delicious meatballs in the oven. So stick with me. It's very simple, very easy to make. It's suitable for everybody, especially if you're a student and you want to have some preparation for the week. So let's do it. We're gonna use 500 grams of ground pork, some cilantro husk, fiber, some onion powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of turmeric powder, salt, and 1 egg, 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Now comes the dirty part. We need to mix all the ingredients well. Combine all the spices, the garlic and the egg with the meat so we can shape our balls, our meatballs. Now we can start shaping our meatballs. Take a piece, shape it in your hand, and put it right here. We got 16 bigger meatballs, but you can make 24 small ones if you want to, like I said. Now we're gonna place this on a baking tray, bake it for 180 degrees for 35 minutes.